Welcome to Penrose Learning, where we make understanding easy.
You start by identifying the exact Apple Watch model and current watch OS. This determines replacement parts and tools. Once done, charge it above 20% and connect the magnetic charger so power won't interrupt later steps. Make a quick iCloud backup from the paired iPhone. This preserves settings and health data. Next, force restart to see if the issue clears. Hold the side button and digital crown together until the Apple logo appears. If the logo returns quickly, note timing for diagnostics. You'll now open the case carefully using a pentalobe or thin heating pad to soften adhesive around the display. Once the screen is lifted, inspect the battery connector, display cables, and any corrosion for water intrusion. This explains intermittent failures. If the battery shows swelling or low voltage, swap it for a compatible replacement. If the display or touch is faulty, replace the panel and reconnect flex cables securely. Make sure connectors click into place and remove dust before reassembly. You put the watch back together by applying new adhesive, aligning the screen and pressing evenly so the seal is uniform. This prevents future water issues. Then power up and run a sequence of checks: boot time, touchscreen responsiveness, heart rate and accelerometer readings, and Bluetooth pairing to the iPhone. If problems persist, run hardware diagnostics using third-party tools or the Apple Watch diagnostic mode. If diagnostics show board-level faults or you lack tools, escalate to an Apple technician for repair or board replacement.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.